Hi, welcome to Telelavo, the first artisan laundry in the world. A renovated model that mixes tradition with technology to bring the best textile care for everybody. Today, I'm going to show you some of our best kept secrets, our identifying trait. Let's go. Each Telelavo is unique, but there is one thing they all have in common: the Telelavo Clock, which is a result of 10 years of R&D. Thanks to it, we can give textiles the best quality per volume. Telelavo takes care of your clothes as if they were our own. Our star service is the monthly flat rate. Weekly laundry the whole month. Hola Luis, ¿qué tal? Today I brought it here myself, but usually they pick it up directly at my home. We have different options tailored to every need, such as a service for delicate garments or laundry per kilo for companies. Are you worried we might lose your socks? That's impossible, and here's why. We zip our baskets in front of our client so nothing can escape on its way to the workshop. Then we record in our self-developed IT system and count every piece of cloth carefully to double-check nothing is lost. Oh, this is one of my favorite steps, the part in which we tag every piece of clothing and remove every stain manually. Look at this lovely washboard. She's preparing this dirty shirt so our ecological soaps can wash away the dirt. And here are the stars of our show, our washing machines, equipped with wet cleaning, a cutting-edge technology that allows us to clean anything, from daily clothes to delicate ones. Did you know that with professional care, you can extend the life of your clothes up to 30%? In Telelavo, we make that happen. We support sustainable fashion. We know nothing makes you look as perfect as a well-ironed shirt. That's why each item is ironed individually. Hey, loose buttons? We don't miss a single detail. If there are any tears or loose buttons, we mend them. Doing laundry is one of my most hated and time-consuming chores. And I hate ironing. With Telelavo, I know that after 48 hours, I will have all my clothes back home, cleaned, ironed, disinfected, and ready to wear. I don't have to worry about anything. Hasta la vista, laundry. Hola, Telelavo.